children. Happy Sankranti to all my children. And today I am drawing a crawling baby. Now let's start. Today's date is 14th, 1st, 23. Now okay. Now
24.
Now crawling baby we will draw. First one circle and like this, like this, like this. Okay. Now okay, now like this one. First we will draw U shape and two circles like this. The mouth is open now. Okay, now okay, now first we have to draw like this half. Okay, now we have to draw here like this. Okay, now like this. Now from here to here. And now from the hand we have to do like this. Now like this. Now once we have to look like this and like this. Now like this. Now like this. We have to keep buttons. And now it's like a shirt now. Now here like this and like this. Like this, like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now, like this. 1, 2, 3. Nice, now it is finished.